Belisari's is hosting an event, and all of the South Point members and friends are invited to this networking party. Exchange business cards while previewing holiday food, hors d'oeuvres, and signature drinks at no charge. A cash bar is available, so bring your friends. RSVP at events@southpoint.net. This program is located at 414 Morganza Road, Canonsburg, PA. Let's go inside and look around.